What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this new episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of March 21st, 2025. My name is Mason. I'm an inventory specialist here.
And I'm Mitchell. I'm a manager here.
This series is where we go through a newsletter with y'all and show y'all in person what each item is looking like. So without further ado, let's get started.
First up, I wanted to highlight our Friday bundle this week, which is the Texas Spring 2025 Friday bundle. This is all curated from our friends here in Texas from Moda Fabrics. With this, you can expect patterns such as blue bonnets, summer florals, stars, dots, and textures on a very bright color scheme of blue, red, yellow, green, and white. So if you are interested in this bundle, you can go wrangle up this Texas Friday bundle before it's gone.
First collection we have for y'all today is the Stars of Valor collection from Wilmington. This is featuring Stars of Valor quilt kits, steeplechase quilt kit. The quilt kits are being restocked and will be available in 2 weeks, by the way. Fat quarter bundle and the full collection of yardage. The patterns for this collection, though, are flags, stars, bells, hearts, plaids, flag textures, and a patchwork print in colors of red, cream, and blue. So make sure to show your pride with Stars of Valor from Wilmington.
Stars! Next up, we have Coral Reef from Clothworks. With this collection, it is selling quickly, so make sure you go and get it now while the chances are still there. With this collection, we are featuring the Whirlpool quilt kits and also the assorted yardage, with the patterns in this group being patchwork prints, fish, turtles, shells, sea glass swirls, stripes, and tonal textures, all in a vibrant color scheme of blue, green, red, pink, orange, and khaki. So if you're wanting any coral themed, underwater kind of group, and you're needing it for your next project, you can dive into the Coral Reef.
Next collection we have is another one from Clothworks. It is the Berry Sweet collection. Featuring in this collection, we have the fat quarter bundle as well as the full collection of yardage. The patterns in this collection are florals, strawberries, and stripes in colors of red, pink, green, aqua, and white. So make sure to sweeten your stash with Berry Sweet from Clothworks.
What's your favorite fruit?
Favorite fruit? I like a good cotton candy grape.
Those are pretty good. I was gonna say I probably like the strawberries. This popped up with strawberries. I'm like, I can go for a strawberry right now.
Strawberries are pretty
I
good.
like apples.
You like apples?
Apples and peanut butter.
You have a certain apple?
Huh?
You have a certain apple you like?
Cosmic Crisp.
It's a good one. You never had that?
Oh.
That's
It's
a good
juicy.
one.
It's
That's a
also
good
the
one.
most, the newest apple that got dropped.
The 16?
Why are you laughing?
That's the 17, huh?
I didn't know they dropped
iPhone 17. Cosmic Crisp.
Never looked at fruit.
Sounds like a drink at Starbucks.
Drops. They're dropping a new apple, bro.
The Cosmic Crisp.
Next up, we have Sunflower Farm from Timeless Treasures. With this, we have the fat quarter bundles, and we also have the full yard collection. This is a very spring forward group with your sunflowers and stuff. So patterns of sunflowers, stripes, leaves, and butterflies, all in a bright color scheme of blue, green, yellow, and white. So if you need any flowers, you can brighten up your stash with Sunflower Farm.
Next thing we have for y'all is a kit that's currently on sale. It is the Farm Livin panel quilt kit from Raleigh Blake. It has a finished size of 55 inches by 62 inches, so about a throw blanket type of size. The original price for this was $46.96, but we have it on sale for you at $32.96, so make sure to scoop up this deal before it moves on.
That's what you did there.
Thanks.
Next up, I want to highlight Sewing Mends the Soul from Timeless Treasures. With this, we have the fat quarter bundle with panels. We also have the 24-inch panels, and we also have the small but full collection for this group. The main panel in this group is featuring a gnome that is sewing. It's a very cute looking panel. Also, the other patterns in this are gnomes, snowing motifs, thread, scissors, sewing machines, and also some quilt stars, all in the color schemes of blue, pink, red, yellow, orange, green, and cream. So you got all the colors you could want in this group. So if you're interested in this one, then no more waiting. Grab Sewing Mends the Soul before it's all sewn up.
Next item we have for y'all is a box quilt kit. It is a hot pre-order that we want to talk about. It is the Raven box quilt kit. This is featuring Wild Orchid by Blackbird Designs from Moda. The kits are scheduled to ship in September, October. It is a beautiful autumn kit featuring ravens and pumpkins in colors of tan, brown, and gold. So don't be left in the dark and make sure you pre-order the Raven box quilt kit before it flies away.
Next up, I want to highlight our March bargains, which is a page on our website where we like to put all of our sale items, and it could be filled with random things such as remnants, kits, notions, who knows what else. We update it every day, so if you're wanting any of our sales, go check out our March bargains.
Next up is our comment of the week, and for this week we're going to pick a comment from Sharon Weber 5197, and she says, ditto on the great photography. Maybe display the sale kit on one shelf and on some of the other various pre-cuts each week. No stress on what holiday it is. I look forward to your shows. Take care. So Sharon, thank you so much for the comment. We very much appreciate it. Thank you for watching. And speaking of your idea, we think that's a great idea with putting on the sale kit or any of the various pre-cuts that we do. I think that's a fantastic idea. So we will start doing that, maybe even just starting with this episode. So go ahead, Justin.
Ooh, some of these.
Yep.
Sometimes they'll fall.
Alright, well, we'll figure it out later.
So Sharon and others, as you can see, we got a kit up there. It's a little wrinkled up. Don't worry about it. We'll fix it by next episode. But it's a great idea. So I think we're going to start doing that. We'll feature a couple different things in there so that way y'all can also just see it behind us the entire time.
And that's going to do it this week for this episode of Friday Fabric Finds. We want to thank you all so much for watching and always coming back and checking us out. If you enjoy this one, you can make sure to hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. You can also be featured in our comment of the week. If you want to drop your comments down below, we will be picking from those and you might be featured in next week's video. Make sure to go follow us on all of our socials. Those will be linked down in the description below as well. But with that being said, I think that's going to do it. Thank y'all for watching.
See ya.